I finally got Rip Klutchkonsky, but he is a water toy. But I'm so glad to have him. And he was $6 at Walmart. And look what he can do. I went all the way over here. And then so he can go by himself. But he can do something else too. Let's just look at him now. This is his face. He's got these little water things. His side. Those big monster truck wheels with the pedals. The other side. And the top and the bottom. And the back. Okay, bye.